Good day, folks. It's Tony Fortunato from the technology firm. We're going to run through a quick wireless exercise that I encourage you to do at home, at work, satellite office, wherever you have more than one wireless access point or wireless router. Basically, in this case, I've got two wireless access point slash routers, and they both support 2.4 and 5 gigahertz. And I want to make sure that the channels are optimized because they're both set for auto, of course. You know how I feel about auto. So what I'm going to do is, one of them is this right here, this Archer, this TP-Link. And you can see it says Auto Channel 2, Auto Channel 157. Now, I don't want to have to get into both of them on the web interface, so there's this really cool utility you might want to go check out. It's from a website called Nirsoft, NIRSOFT.net. It's at the bottom here. And this tool is called Wi-Fi Info View. It's a portable app, nothing to install. You run it off a USB key. Basically, just download a zip file, unzip it, and run it, and this is what you get. So first thing is, it's obviously there's a lot of stuff here. So there's 132 items being displayed. I just want to show you how you knock that down a bit. So every wireless tool you have should have some sort of filter in it, and this has I'm going to say a bunch of SSIDs that you can just delineate with a comma, and anything you type in, it will display there. So if I do that, 24 gigahertz, 5 gigahertz, those are the actual SSIDs, by the way. And then the other one is Spectrum Setup 9D, your typical ISP wireless router. And there they all are. So as you can see, the 24 gigahertz, that's what I called it because it is 2.4 gig, channel 2. And if you come down here, the ISP is also auto, and it's channel 1. So they're like right beside each other. So this ideally should be 6 or 11, ideally. And on the 5 gig, we've got 157 and 44, so they're good. So that's what I want to change right now. So I'm going to go to this guy. That's that TP-Link Archer that I had up a moment ago. I'm going to change him to 11. Because I took a look earlier, and there are a couple of other things floating around at 6, but there's almost nothing at 11. So I'm going to change that right now. Wireless. It's probably going to make me log in again because it was sitting there for a while. And the reason why I'm doing this is you need to make sure that if you change your wireless settings, any of them, it's going to restart the box, but make sure it actually changes it, even if you statically set, in this case, the actual frequency. So I'm going to do that. Let's give this another shot. I don't want to have to pause the video and go deal with this, but I might just have to do that. Come on, let's go. Yeah, so I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to find the where I changed the frequency, and then I'll come right back. Of course, I was just one screen away from it. So there's the channel set for auto. I'm going to change this to, let's change it to 11. There it is. Save. And it's saved. So here's the thing. We have to make sure it actually took effect. So if we take a look here, 24 gigahertz is now channel 11. So I was trying to make sure that the wireless access point, when I actually put the setting in there, did it take it dynamically? Does it need a reboot? And in this case, the software, Wi-Fi Info View from Nirsoft, does it dynamically pick that up, or do I have to hit refresh, and so on and so on? But everything looks like it worked out pretty good. See that? So a little tip trick for you, and I'll put the link for the Nirsoft software in the article. Have a good day. Bye for now.